morning, Vipers. I'm Kiana.
And I'm Azir. Welcome to the third episode of this year's weekly show.
This week we're starting off with Who Dat.
Wait, who's who?
No, it's the name of this segment, Azir.
The one with Sebastian?
Yes, the one with Sebastian.
Oh.
Hi, welcome to Who Dat. Today, I will ask a staff member simple questions and you will try to guess who it is. What is your favorite genre of music?
I mostly listen to country music, but I'll listen to pretty much anything as long as I can understand the words.
Okay. Are you a cat or a dog person?
I like to think I'm both. I've never had a dog, but I love them. But right now I have 2 cats and they're the best.
Okay. And last question, what is your favorite movie?
I'm torn between The Breakfast Club and The Proposal. I both think they're really good.
Okay, can you guys try to guess who this is? And it is...
Hi, everybody. It's Miss Anderson.
It's Miss Anderson. Thank you very much.
Of course.
Yep. My name is Sebastian, and that was Who Dat.
Hey, what's up? It's RJ. Today I have some advice for you on how to take care of your body's nutrition. As humans, we get our nutrients from the foods that we eat. And as time moves along, people have been eating more and more processed foods that lack several of the vital nutrients we need for our bodies to function properly. This means a growing number of people in the United States aren't getting enough of these nutrients in their diet. And as it turns out, the way to get these nutrients is by eating fruits and vegetables. Here's a list of foods that can help you and your diet be complete. Green leafy vegetables. The darker, the better. These contain copper, magnesium, folate, and vitamins A and E. When cooked, you absorb more in one sitting. Avocados, walnuts, and flax seeds are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin C can be found in peppers, strawberries, and citrus fruits. Broccoli and potatoes contain potassium, along with bananas and avocados. Potatoes also contain copper and B6. Mushrooms are also a wonderful source of B12. Long story short, greens are good for you. Eat the rainbow. Take care, Vipers.
Hi, I'm Nick, and this is KVHS Sport.
First show is Kitchen Nightmares. Cooking kind of takes a sideline because it's a lot more entertaining to watch Gordon Baby Ray get people than the actual cook. It's on Hulu. Next one is actually more about the food than the host, and it's hosted by me. No, it's not. It's hosted by this guy. It's on Hulu as well. Unlike 95% of every other cooking show, this one actually has a good premise. This lady with funny hair and this guy have to teach a bunch of randoms how to cook. It's on Hulu.
Dude, if I had to be on that Gordon Ramsay show, I would not survive. I couldn't even make a grilled cheese if I wanted to.
You can't cook?
Definitely not. Why do you think you always saw me getting stuff from snake bites during lunch last year?
Speaking of snake bites, if you are interested in joining DECA, please contact Miss Alon for more information.
Or follow their Instagram at VeradoHSDeca or their Twitter at VHSDeca1.
I still can't believe you can't cook.
You can't blame me. I just don't want to get hurt in the kitchen.
Luckily, we have Stella's segment next to teach us how to cook safely.
Welcome once again to Guess What? Today, if you haven't seen already, isn't a regular weekly show, but instead it's a cooking show. So, I decided to change Guess What into a food edition. Alright, in today's episode, you have been challenged to guess 3 food items that I'm going to show you on screen. You have 10 seconds to think over your answer, and after those 10 seconds, the right answer will pop up on the screen. Well then, let's get ready for the test of tastefulness. Image number 1. The right answer is a burger. Image number 2. The right answer is chicken Alfredo. Image number 3. The right answer is sushi. I hope you enjoyed today's food edition of Guess What as much as I did. And as always, peace out.
Hi, my name is Sebastian Witcha, and this is your weekly weather forecast. Monday we will have a high of 105 and a low of 84. Tuesday we will have a high of 105 and a low of 83. Wednesday we will have a high of 103 and a low of 83. Thursday we will have a high of 104 and a low of 83. Friday we will have a high of 105 and a low of 83. Saturday we will have a high of 105 and a low of 84. And Sunday we will have a high of 106 and a low of 85. My name is Sebastian, and this is your weekly weather report.
Hey Vipers, welcome to another episode of Tea's Treats. I make delicious treats you can't wait to eat. Today I will be making a brownie mug cake.
Start with the dry ingredients first. 1/4 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and then 2 tablespoons of brown or granulated sugar. After mixing, you want to add 2.5 tablespoons of water, followed by 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix again and add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Put it in the microwave for 60 seconds. And there you have it, your chocolate brownie mug cake. Stay sweet, Vipers.
The chocolate chip cookie was invented by American chefs Ruth Graves Wakefield and Sue Brides in 1938. She invented the recipe during the period in which she owned the Toll House Inn in Whitman, Massachusetts. In this era, the Toll House Inn was a popular restaurant that featured home cooking. It is often incorrectly reported that she accidentally developed the cookie and that she had expected the chocolate chunks would melt, making chocolate cookies. In fact, she stated that she deliberately invented the cookie.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make popsicles because who doesn't want to make easy, fun, and refreshing summer treats? You're going to need your 4 favorite fruits. I will be using strawberry, kiwi, mango, and blueberries. Also, you're going to need a cup and popsicle sticks because these are going to be your molds. Unless you have popsicle molds, go ahead and use that. Popsicle, go ahead and put them in the freezer overnight and I'll be back with the results tomorrow morning. Hey guys, it is the next day. I just pulled out the popsicles out of the freezer, so oh, they're They're so cute. They're so cute. Make sure to make your popsicles right now because it's so hot outside and it's fun and easy and refreshing. So go make your popsicles. Thank you so much for watching and have a good rest of your week.
Nick, and this KVHS board. It's just me today because Jonathan could not be here. Badminton and volleyball's first practice of today, and football's having their first practice on the 7th. This has been Nick. See you later, Vipers.
Hey Vipers, today we'll be checking in on some of our variety of teachers and seeing what they love to cook and what they love to eat. This is teacher time.
Hey, this is Beard, and I teach digital photography at Verrado High School. And some of the favorite things that I cook is anything on the grill. You could have walked the earth, swam on the earth, or flew on the earth. It can get on my grill with all the charcoal in the world. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Mr. Quilico. I teach earth science and environmental science. And one of my favorite meals is steak and veggies.
Good morning, Verrado. My name is Miss Buchanan. I am the dance teacher, and I am here to answer a few questions for our weekly show. My favorite thing to make would have to be a chicken pasta dish, but I prefer to bake. So anything, your cookies, your cakes, your pies, cheesecake, that is my favorite thing to do in the kitchen. My favorite thing to eat would have to be cheeseburger and french fries. That is my go-to. So hope everyone's doing well and staying safe.
This has been Teacher Time with T. See you next week, Vipers. Stay healthy.
Hey, welcome to Cooking with RJ. This one goes out to my vegetarian and vegan friends out there. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a BLT. Okay, it doesn't have bacon in it, that's disgusting. But it is a sandwich that has black bean hummus, lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, avocado, mushrooms, and onions. What you do here is you take your bread, and if you're like me, you never eat bread as just bread. It has to be toasted. Once your bread has crisped to your liking, you assemble your sandwich. Spread the hummus on both sides and insert your freshly washed and sliced mushrooms, tomatoes, and onions. Put on a little or a lot of lettuce, half an avocado, and introducing the star of the show, the pickle. There's just something about these things when they're crunchy and cold that makes every bite perfect. Alright you guys, there's your sandwich. Hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. Thanks for watching the KVHS Weekly Show. Oh, wait, that's not my line? Oops. Oh, well, take it to Kiana and Azir.
After watching all these food segments, I'm stuffed with new recipes and information.
I completely agree. I think it's time to close out the show. Thank you guys so much for watching this weekly show episode.
Hopefully you guys try out all these new recipes safely in your kitchen. That's all we have for today. I'm Kiana.
And I'm Azir.
Signing off for KVHS.